Fudger, what are you doing? Are you eating and laying down like a lazy dog? Butter. Being videoed, you know this, right? Yeah, I'm videoing you. How you like that? How you like them apples? What? You getting mad? You jelly or something? And she's like, I don't care. I want to keep eating. Y'all can just continue on doing what y'all are doing. Oops, dropped the piece over here. She had to go pick it up. This dog does this every time almost she eats. Her mother, on the other hand, does not. I don't know why. Neither does her brother. But she does it. This is Butter.